Stop wasting your whole weekend scrubbing, dusting, and stressing out over a messy house. Look, if your place gets cluttered all over again a day later, it's not because you're lazy. It's because your whole cleaning routine is totally backwards. You're just fighting the mess instead of fixing the root of the problem. People in Japan never spend their weekends doing marathon cleaning sprees. So how do their homes always stay so chill and spotless? Today I'm gonna break down 5 daily Japanese habits that will totally wipe out that weekend burnout. Make sure you stick around till number 5, because I'm gonna show you a super easy 2-minute morning shift that keeps your home effortless all day long. Honestly, number 3 is a total game changer. And pretty much 90% of us do it wrong every single night without even realizing it. Let's dive right in. Let's start right from how you deal with your stuff during a normal day. Going from surface clutter all the way down to your nighttime sleep space. Now let's talk about habit number 1.
Finally home.
The one-touch rule. Go take a quick look at your kitchen counter or your coffee table right now. I bet there's a set of keys, some mail, or a jacket that you just tossed down for a second to deal with later, right? We all do it. In Japan, there's this cool concept called ichiji shunu, which basically means avoiding temporary storage. The rule is simple. Handle an item completely the very first time you touch it, instead of pushing it off for later. Every single time you say, "I'll deal with this later," your brain keeps that little task running in the background, like an open tab on your computer. It low-key drains your energy all day long, even if you aren't looking at it. The fix: touch it once, put it away right then and there, and close that mental tab for good. Moving on to habit number 2. The midnight reset. Have you ever woken up, walked into the kitchen all half asleep, and hit a wall of dirty dishes and yesterday's mess? It instantly ruins your morning vibe, doesn't it? You start your day already playing catch-up. That's where the Japanese habit of osaji comes in. The nightly reset. Instead of leaving chores for tomorrow morning when you're rushed, families spend the last 10 minutes of their night wiping down and resetting every surface back to zero. Going to sleep surrounded by chaos means you wake up straight into stress and anxiety. When you walk out to a totally clean, empty sink in the morning, your brain instantly relaxes. You swap morning panic for pure peace of mind, setting a calm tone for your entire day. Now, clearing off your surfaces changes your physical space. But the next habit is all about the hidden stuff that piles up behind closed doors. Stay with me, because number 4 is going to totally clear out that mental clutter. Next up is habit number 3. The art of blank space. Check out your shelves, your walls, or your dressers. Are they totally packed with little knickknacks and random decor pieces, where you can barely even see the wood or the wall behind them? Traditional Japanese design is all about yohaku, the beauty of negative space. They totally believe that empty space isn't wasted space. It's what gives your eyes and your mind room to actually breathe. When every single surface is packed with stuff, your eyes are constantly processing a million little details every second. That non-stop visual noise actually spikes your stress hormones without you even knowing it. When you clear things out and leave some blank space, your nervous system finally gets to chill out. Less visual clutter equals less mental noise. Now let's look at habit number 4. The conscious flow. Go open up your closet or your pantry. We're always buying new stuff and just shoving it in front of the old stuff until things get totally lost, expire, or get ruined way in the back. We end up rebuying things we already own because we forgot they were buried there. The fix here is kokan, a smart rotation system. The rule is, nothing new comes in to take up space until you've consciously reviewed and replaced what's already there. Quietly hoarding a bunch of stuff you don't use builds up a weird low-key anxiety. You start feeling like your stuff owns you, instead of you owning your stuff. Keeping a clean rotation keeps your life feeling light, transparent, and completely under control. Finally, we have habit number 5. The sacred boundary. Take a close look at your bedroom right now. Is your phone plugged right next to your pillow? Your work bag sitting on the floor? And a pile of clothes draped over the chair? The final habit is Yugyo no Shizukiza, turning your home from a workspace into a peaceful sanctuary. The second the sun goes down. In Japanese culture, the boundary between daytime labor and nighttime restoration is treated as sacred. If your bedroom is still holding on to the stress and hustle of your daytime grind, your brain can never fully drop into deep, restorative sleep. Separating your sleep zone from your work zone is the absolute key to waking up actually feeling rested instead of exhausted. Now, like I promised, here's a super easy 2-step daily reset test. You can run starting tonight in under 5 minutes. Step 1, the zero sink check. Tonight before bed, make sure your kitchen sink is completely empty and your main entryway table is clear. Just notice how much better your body feels walking into a clean room tomorrow morning. Step 2, the 1-in rule. Starting tomorrow, whenever you bring a brand new item into your house, make it a habit to let go of or give away one old item. No pressure. Just a chill, natural balance. Having a clean home doesn't come from working twice as hard. Comes from keeping a lot less stuff around to stress over. No crazy weekend scrubbing marathons. No overflowing counters. And no background anxiety. Just room to breathe. You don't need a massive cleaning checklist. You just need lighter, simpler daily habits. Now I want to turn it over to you. Look around your room right now. Which of these 5 habits do you need to start working on today? Drop your habit number down in the comments below. And let's keep each other accountable. If this video gave you a fresh perspective, share it with a friend who's always drowning in chores. I'll catch you in the next one.